Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to discover the undiscovered facts about Helix aspersum. Helix aspersum is the scientific name for garden snails, and this project is made by Johnson Sai and me, Albee.
Our main objective is to test the protein levels present in the Helix aspersa, and we are going to make Helix aspersa into hamburgers as well.
So we prepared an experiment to test the proteins present in snails. So first we remove a small portion of the snail and place it in a bowl with a teaspoon of distilled water and crush them with a fork or spoon until it becomes a gooey paste. Then we transfer the mixture into a test tube and add 3 to 4 drops of purine reagent solution. Purine reagent solution is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and copper 2 sulfate. And we need to shake the test tube for every drop of purine reagent solution. Then we allow the test tube to stand for 5 minutes and wait for the color to change. If the color turns to purple, that means proteins are present. However, if the color turns to pink, that means only a small chain of polypeptides are present. Polypeptides is the simplest form of protein. As you can see from the diagram, the blue solution is the purine reagent solution, while the violet solution is the mixture of snail and water, which consists of high levels of proteins.
Determining our main ingredients, the snails. So first we place 2 bricks in the shelter area where snails are like laying up here. Then we place a board on top of the bricks and let it rest until the next morning. Then we check whether there are snails cleaning underside the bricks and we gather them carefully if there's any. Essential cleaning process. We place the bricks in the tank and we put the snail and shredded lettuce beside the bricks. Then we put 2 salt slurs on the top of the bricks, one with water, one with grain. The water is to moisten the environment in the tank. The grain is to absorb some glucose produced by the snail, while the shredded lettuce is to feed the snails. We cover the tank with a screen lid, and we change the shredded lettuce, water, and grain every day. We continue this process for 2 weeks, and we remove the dead snails in the tank if we find any of them. Then, after 2 weeks, we remove the shredded lettuce and grain. Then we put the snail and clean water in another clean tank. We let the setup rest for another 2 days.
So how we cook the Helix aspersum? First, we put the snails into boiling water and stir them gently for approximately 5 minutes. Then we drain the water, remove the snails from their shells, but we also need to wash them with vinegar and water for several times in order to eliminate the remaining mucus. And we drain them again and cook them for half an hour in water, garlic, herbs, salt, and pepper. And we chop and mix the boiled snail and garden snails together with cheese, eggs, and breadcrumbs. Then we fry the patty mix and place each patty in toasted hamburger buns. And we also can garnish them with tomatoes and lettuce. It depends on our imagination how we decorate our own burgers.
The materials to be used. The first is saucer. The second is cornmeal. The third is oatmeal. The fourth is wheat bread. The fifth is shredded lettuce. The The net is an aquarium. The tank is purification solution. And the last is Helix expressor.
So in our hypothesis, the snails contains high levels of proteins which are suitable for human consumption.
And snails would probably taste delicious when made into burger and patties.
And thank you for your